T2156 Roof Rack Installation Guide. Apply positioning stickers to the left and right crossbars. Insert the left and right crossbars into the front crossbar. Place spring washers onto the screws and screw them into the internal screw holes of the left and right crossbars. Similarly, do not tighten the external screws. Insert the double-T bolts into the center crossbars. Place washers over them. Screw on the nuts. Ensure sufficient clearance. Do not tighten fully. Align and insert all 4 center crossbars into the guide slots. Position them over the alignment stickers and attach screws. Do not tighten yet. Insert bolts into the guide slots, 3 on each side. Insert the rear crossbar. First tighten the internal screws. Then tighten the external screws. After all components are positioned, remove the stickers. Tighten all screws. Apply foam rubber to the bracket edges. Install bracket hinges and connecting sleeves. Thread screws through. Tighten with washers and nuts. Mount brackets to the vehicle's longitudinal beams, 3 per side. Screws with spring washers and flat washers. Ensure the bracket remains movable. Align the roof rack with the bracket holes and place it on the vehicle. Adjust the position. Tighten the bracket screws. Tighten the nuts connecting the roof rack and bracket. Install the bracket housing. Secure both sides with screws. First, install 3 spoiler brackets. Insert spring washers and flat washers. Tighten screws. Remove front crossbar bolts from roof rack. Insert 3 bolts into guide rails. Align spoiler with mounting holes. Center position. Secure spoiler flush against upper front crossbar and tighten. Installation guide complete. Thank you for choosing T2156.